I guess I don't have a used one that's off right now. I thought I had one, but the only other one I got is on this engine here, but I need that to do a carburetor test that I gotta have for a guy. I just got it done, but it's a little late to be doing that, doing the test on that. But so I'm testing these new ones because you never know though if somebody had installed these back in the day or something, then took it back before they even quit allowing the returns of electrical items, because they used to do that like back in the 70s and stuff. But anyways, we're gonna just I just got done doing another test on that one there too. It's the only way I can do this, because this plywood here doesn't have the starter gear type teeth on it, because this is a 610-965 here, stator plate that's behind it, which looks just like that. It's got a single magnet. Well, anyways, I'll get somebody to go ahead and make up an invoice. I'm not sure how it's going to go. Like I said, it all depends. I know we had a problem shipping one to Austria, but I don't think we will with Canada, so we might be able to just do it right through PayPal. If I can find my dang screwdriver here, and ship it. Might be able to do it like FedEx or something. They're a little faster, but USPS, you know, with you being like right there, heck, I know people though, that guy up there in Washington, he just stepped over the border and went and, because I wouldn't ship him an engine. I said, there's just no way in heck. It was bad enough shipping it clear to Washington. It was pretty expensive. That was quite some time ago though. But he said he went and got an address over there, general delivery at the post office, and then went and stepped over the border and picked it up. But it still cost me like, I don't know, about close to $90 to ship it there. We just shipped them in Durabuilt tote. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going to have to go with the new one instead. There it is.